Hey guys, Cody here with the Eastwood Company. Today, we're going to use this PDR kit, pull some dents on the bedside of this 2016 Ram 1500. We're going to see just how easy it is. Let's get started. You can see with this dark color, it's not the easiest to see the dent, but you can see when we move this Eastwood logo back and forth, you can kind of see the divot causes some distortion in the logo. That's where we're going to try and pull it out, and that's what we're hoping to fix. When you're pulling small little dents like this, you don't necessarily have to pull until the whole glue tab pops off. You know, with these things being so small, I think I'm actually gonna scrape this off now, get an idea and see where it looks. You can always pull more, so don't be afraid to stop, look, and see where you're at. All right guys, so you saw there just a little bit of work in this awesome PDR kit. We were able to make both those dents disappear. You know, this kit, it's great. It gives you a variety of tabs and 2 different pullers, so you can really fine tune and adjust your force to make sure you get the dent out just right. For more information about this product or any other product we sell, visit eastwood.com.